Denise Morse here from Knack Training, and today's quick fix tutorial video is about how we can use paid Copilot to compare multiple files in your OneDrive. Do you ever wonder which version of a file is the most up-to-date? We can take up to 5 different files and compare them using Copilot in our OneDrive instantly. Let me show you how to do it. Let's take a look at some of the catalogs that we have at Knack Training. So over the years they have changed, so I want to compare them and see what the difference is. So inside of my OneDrive, I'm going to go to my catalogs folder, and I have 4 different ones right here, so I can just select them. And when I do so, I can go to this Copilot and I can use compare files. So let me do that now. It generated for a little bit, and we can see the various different comparisons, focus, courses, duration, special features, and authors. Talks about different things and how obviously we have added Copilot to the Copilot training and to the Knack Training 2025. And it talks about duration and courses. This is great. It also shows the references that I used. Could I go more in depth? Yes. Could I look at just one of them using Copilot? Right here, summarize, create an FAQ, create an audio overview. So I can do up to 5 files, and I can use Copilot to either summarize or compare files, or I can ask it a question. There you have it. You can forget the side-by-side windows and let Copilot highlight what's changed for you. Simple, smart, and no more version confusion using paid Copilot.